Welcome back, guys. The next problem, insecure processing of credit card data. Credit card data, this is something very interesting and this is something very sensitive. Credit card number, CVV2, which is an authorization code, very sensitive piece of data. And naturally, we don't want this sensitive data to be insecurely processed. And in this video, I'm gonna show you what can go wrong in the web applications, and I find this problem, I would say, quite often in web applications. And well, credit card data is ubiquitous in almost every single e-shopping, e-commerce. We've got this kind of payment, and that's why I also discuss this stuff, because this is a bug that works, right? Okay, so what can go wrong actually? One of the things that can go wrong is like this. This sensitive data, so credit card data, will be cached and will be cached in plain text when autocomplete off is not implemented. And of course, we don't want our sensitive data to be cached in plain text. I believe that this is quite obvious. Think about passwords and other kind of sensitive data. We never want our sensitive data to be cached in plain text, right? And this is it. I believe that this is quite obvious for you. And the companies like this kind of bug because, credit card data is something that are really concerned about. And if you find any kind of weakness in processing of this sensitive data, they are happy to accept it in vast amount of situations, and they will reward you for something like this. And you can really quickly find out if this problem happens in the web application or not. And this is what I'm going to show you. So we're going to analyze the client-side code in order to check if this problem happens in the web application or not. And what's going to happen in a minute is a demo, because we want more practice, we want hands-on stuff. We want to be able to find these bugs. And this is it. So without further delay, let me go to the demo.